guys! Good afternoon! Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Yes, ako guys, kasi galing kami ng asawa ko sa labas. Bumili kami ng sofa cover. Kasi walang cover to. Lalagyan ko ng cover. Ito yung bumili namin ng cover. SM pa tong lagayan guys. Dala ko to Lagay ko sa... Pagbalik ko dito ng India, may may box. Nilagay ko sa pinakailalim to. Ayan Yung napakinabangan pa. Ayan. SM pang lagayan. Nasa SM. Ayan. Ito yung binili ko na cover. Hindi ko makuha. Ayan, magpapaano ako sa asawa ko. Magpapa-video. Kasi yung isa kong kamay nakahawak ng ng cellphone. Hi, you come here. You capture video to me, please. Thank you. Dapat same color dyan sa wall na yan o yung yellow. Yung parang yellow-green. Yung wala kaming mapili. 10 pair to 8. Ang price pala nito guys is 2,800. Ngayon, sabi ko kay kuya, discount. Sabi niya, 2,500. Sabi ko, okay. So, maganda naman yung quality guys. Kahit mahal siya, maganda yung quality na Ito ay sa baba kasi malaki ito. Tapos ito yung isa. Ang maliit sa taas. And lalagay ko ito. Testing ko. Try ko dito guys. Ito yung maliit. Kasi walang cover to. Kaya napag-isipan namin ng asawa ko na lagyan namin ng cover. Kasi madadamage to So kasi natatanggal.
And I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be One day I'll be yours. I'll be Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes, just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours.
Yes, tapos na. Lagay ng cover. Ready na to. This look nice. Yan na siya, guys. Ganda tingnan. Ayun. Oh, diba? Ayan yung aming house. Yung aming sofa. Ayan na siya. Magwawalis muna ako dyan. Ang daming mga daming tela. Ang daming sinulid. Ayan. Daming sinulid. Tapos ito liligpit ko itong aking SM bag. Tingnan natin yung ito. Parang siyang brownish. Brownish. Sa Pilipinas. Pero yung nakalagay is classic pancake. Yan siya. Pa ako ng kutsilyo, hiwain ko. Tsaka plato, lalagyan. Ang sakit. Tignan ko nga. Ito, dikit. Parang kain ako dito, guys. Ayun, na macaroni salad, pansit. Yan, masyadong kita yun, no? Pansit at saka yung cake. Parang brownies. Masarap siya.